Alrighty, what's up and welcome back to the video. So as you guys requested, today we are out here with the Moto Pro RR300. Those who are not familiar with the Moto Pro RR300, I would consider it to be the flagship bike in the range. It features a 300cc single overhead cam 4-stroke motor that's got a FCR carburetor on it. It comes standard with the billet anodized wheel sets, billet triple clamps, unbreakable levers, and this thing is an absolute ripper. It revs freely. It's got a nice short ratio gearbox, so you can absolutely rip through the gears. And as you can see, we've been enjoying this bike to the max today. This one is straight out of the box. It's jetted a bit too rich. We still need to dial in the jetting, so it's heavy on fuel. This is my absolute first time at Legends Adventure Park, and man, what an awesome place. Been enjoying it. Kevin from Dirt SA was here with me. You'll see him in the videos, so check out his channel and his perspective on the bikes, because he did a little independent review on them. And yeah, enjoy the footage of me ripping around the tracks on this thing. It was a blast, some sketchy moments, but for the most part, super capable bike. Loving it. And if you guys want to check out any of these bikes, you can come view them on our showroom floor at Mud and Dust Motor. We are in ADV Leisure's building, where Veyveld used to be. For all the people that live in Pretoria, should know where that is. Economics dictate that I can only be there from Thursday to Sunday, unless we are doing demos. So if you go there on a Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday, the folks from ADV Leisure are more than happy to assist you. Or you can send me any inquiries at info@mdmmoto.co.za. I'll have the email address linked on the screen, all the social media tags. So if you have any questions about the bikes and want to check them out, shoot me a mail. We can arrange a demo day, or just come and check them out in the shop. Enjoy this video. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. for the very first time ever, I'm here at Legends Adventure Park. I'm joined by Kevin from Dirt SA. I brought the Moto Pro bikes out for him to do a little review on and to check them out. So all of the regular commenters, well, the guys who have been requesting the video on the RR300, I think there's like 3 of you, which is like a lot of comment traffic for my channel. So yeah, here we go. I'm on the RR300. I'm gonna go smash this cross-country track here quickly and show you guys what the bike's all about. And I think we're gonna do a nice little race start. The RR300 does the job nicely. So the 300, the jetting definitely still needs to be dialed on this bike. It's running a tad bit rich. So when you're like in the transient throttle section where you're on and off the throttle, it goes a bit rich, and then it sputters when you get back onto throttle. But other than that, it revs nice and freely. Seat keeps coming loose. And I would say it needs a bit taller gearing. Like the ratios are fairly short, so you're like shift, and then you're in top gear. I think if we go like two teeth bigger on the rear sprocket, it would be perfect.